it's almost Halloween. It's super close actually. So I'm gonna show you how to make this little finger puppet, just like this one. Super cute. It's super easy and a super quick decoration you can make in like a few minutes. Yep, and all you need are scissors, paper, glue, and stuff to draw and color with. First, you're gonna get a strip of paper. It can be however wide or long you want. I recommend not making it any thinner than this. You can even make your paper like this thick or even thicker. But now you're going to fold it in half and try to make sure that this V shape is pointing towards you. Next, draw a ghost. You can draw the ghost however you want, but if you want to do one like mine, you just do an upside down U shape. Make two more, one right here and one right here. Now make two lines going down. Now make two curved lines on each side and just make more until you get to the middle. Now do two circles and a circle with a curved line in it. And then you can color the top half black and the next part you can keep it white, or I'm going to color it red. For the face, you can have any design you want, and you can even leave the middle blank, but I'm going to write the word boo. And also, if you don't want to mess up, you can sketch it and pencil and then go over it in pen. Just like how I'm doing when I write the word boo. Now, cut out the outsides everywhere but on the bottom. Okay, so now your ghost is like this, and you're gonna open it up just like this. And then you're gonna get your glue and only outline the edges on one side. Don't do this side, only this side. And I don't know if you could see the glue, but only do it around the edges like how I did. Now you're gonna fold it back on top and press it down. Once it's pressed down, then you're gonna cut the bottom. Now that your glue has dried and you cut the bottom, there should be a little opening under there that you can stick your finger through. Or in this case, my hand. And as you saw in the beginning, I made another one for me and my cousin Anya to share. Oh wow, thanks for sharing, Elsia. These are so cute. Go to our holiday playlist for more holiday crafts like this. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.